Hello everyone, today we're going to start a lesson on learning the note names on the staff in treble clef. So the musical alphabet goes from A to G, nothing after that. Here are all those letter names on the staff where they are in treble clef. So let's break this down just a little bit. There are two clefs, this one known as treble, and this one known as bass. Treble is sometimes called the G clef, while bass is sometimes called F. And I'll explain why in just a moment. So, this swirl tells you what line or space is named G, hence why it's called the G clef. Since the swirl goes around this line, that line is G. So, using what we know, with every space and line alternating note names, A, B, C, and so on, knowing the second from the bottom is G, we can conclude that this is E, this one is G as we already know, this one is B, this one is D, and the final one is F. And a way that many people remember this is every good boy deserves fudge. Some people say every good boy does fine. Either will help you remember sufficiently, so whatever works best for you. Next are the spaces. These are the letters that are in between the letters that are on the lines. So they are as follows. F in the first space, then A, C, and E. You may have noticed this spells the word face. A good way to remember this is that face is in the space. So let's try a couple out. Remember that the treble clef is sometimes called the G clef. This is the first note name we learned. So this line would be G. Let's do a space now. Remember, face is in the space. F is the first letter of face, so the first space is F. And one more example. So remember, face is in the space. The third space is what we're looking for. So we want the third letter of face, which would be F, A, and then C. So now we're going to group up at random, and then using the classroom set of iPads, we're going to visit musicracer.com, which will quiz you on note names. If you need help, let me know, and I'll come assist you to figure out the note names. Go to the website, select level 1, and we'll see how you do in your groups. After this, we'll work more with individuals and make sure that we're all comfortable naming all the notes.